Hi guys, today I will show you what to do when you have a connect with internet but you can surf in it on your Vivo Y17. To fix this problem, firstly we must go back to the main menu where we have setting, and in the setting we scroll down to more settings option and go there to date and time. We click on date and time, and now we must switch on our automatically date and time. After that our internet would be working. Go back to the internet and try to go to Facebook again, and now it is working. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.